Hello, how's it all going? Good, I hope. Well, today's could be a bit of a mess because Big Bertha's gone. I've just got my other little press in the room, and the table's a complete mess. Everything's just back from the bar. I was making stuff Saturday, and I had a couple of days off. And this stuff weighs a ton, bringing it up to the third floor. So I had yesterday off as well, and I just brought it all in, set it up. So let's see what happens. I just picked these coins up from the post office yesterday, and this is from Paul in Australia. Hello, Paul. I hope you're feeling a bit better, mate. Yeah, it's horrible when you're feeling sad. But yeah, Saturday was a bit of a laugh, really. I mean, I didn't sell a lot, but it was bloody funny. I got very, very, very drunk at the end of the day. Well, not falling over drunk, but, I was there from, 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock till about 12 o'clock. And it was bloody good fun. Right, we now have to go over. See, this is all different now, because I had to put all of this on wood, so I could not screw this down to his bar. What am I doing? See, here we go again. Oh yeah, we go over to... Right, this is the new, my new press. It's only 10 ton, but you don't need anything more than that. It works the same way as well. Hopefully, yeah. I can't do the underneath shot at the moment. I'm just trying to see if this is all going to work. Yes, sirree. I don't know if anything's positioned right or... I don't know, I think. Right. And I think I left my black board at the bar, so this is just a bit of black card I found. And let's give it a go. Some guys coming to pick up Big Bertha today. She's in the hall. God, it killed me. Where's my hammer? Oh, wait, see what I mean? Hammer would be good. Right, let's stop the video, find my hammer. It could be in a box, could be anywhere. Stop the world, I want to get off. Okay. I have the hammer. So, that is that. Yeah, this table is just full of stuff. I had to take 2 shelves down, so everything's on my worktop. Which isn't that clever. Oh, this will do for now. I don't have my little pot to put the filings in. So, there you go, kids. Yeah, it's a very good laugh on Saturday. I've got a few orders as well to make, but yeah, it's okay. I enjoyed it. I haven't been out till 12 o'clock for years. Quite easy to get back into it, though, I tell you. Right. Where is... oh, Jesus wept. Where is Bernie the fire starter? Bernie, where are you? Right, let's stop it again. Okay, I found Bernie. I think I'll have to raise the camera up as well, because the camera support now is a lot lower. I told you it'd be a bit of a mess today, but you all know me by now. Mr. Wonderful is a bit of a mess. most of the time, to be honest with you. But that's me. Oh, God. Oh, I'm getting too old for this, I tell you. I think it's time to retire and just put the old slippers on and, you know, see what happens. Right, let's get out Dimples. So, what do you reckon on the name? I have a name in head. It's Red, and I was thinking of calling it Lady in Red. But your thoughts? If somebody comes across with a better name, I'll call it that. But at the moment, it's Lady in Red. Give me your thoughts. Drop them down in the old comments. Come on. Give me some feedback. Right. We've got any of the kangaroo left. We've got a bit of his tail. I've used the smallest punch, and we've got the date as well, which is quite good. So yeah, we'll go this sunny side down. Yeah. Now I'll go to Big Red. I don't know if I'm going to have to fix all this lot down, but we'll see now. We shall see. And it's a lot better now. Look at that. This camera's a lot lower. Now, am I going to have to fix all this down? We shall see. No, that ain't too bad. It's exciting, isn't it? And now I need a 17-degree folding die. I'll have to go back to the bar tomorrow. That's a shame when I try and get my my little black works thing back. So now we just want to, I don't have any magnets with me at the moment, so yeah, quite good this, I like it. You're a bit more involved, do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Hey. Yes, this is good. I like it. Right. Now that ain't too shabby. We need... Did I bring any sandpaper here? Oh, Jesus wept. Come on. Here we go. Because I had to take everything down the pub. Everything, you know. I think this is the wrong sandpaper, but it'll do for today. Right. I shall show a bit more love with Bernie, and I'll be back. Have a click. Okay, I just annealed it. Now I want to zoom out a bit because Spike's really close now. There he is. Looking damn sexy today, Spikey. Bit more. Yes, I was going to do a video this Tuesday. Well, it might not come out Tuesday. My girlfriend might come home and say, "You're joking, aren't you? I'm just home from work." It's a bit wobbly. But if you want to check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. The rings in there I can adjust for you, up or down. I can you can also send me your own coins and I will turn them into a nice ring for you. There's a lady asked me if I'd make a ring for her hubby. I said, yeah, no problem. You know, I asked her what it was. And I've never seen it. I didn't know that existed. It's a Star Wars Death Star 50p. Really smart looking coin. So she's going to send it to me, and I think it's for a Christmas for a hubby. I thank God I don't have to use Swedish wraps on this. God knows where they are at the moment. I take down 2 shelves, and of course everything. I've loaded Dichroic glass on the shelves and stuff, you know. And then you go, oh, that's where that was. I've been looking for that for months. And there you go. That is now cone shaped. There's no bow in it as such. So I'll go back down to my sad little bit of black card. That's nowhere near big enough. You just want to cut that lip out. There's a little bit of a lip inside. Get that out. Otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. I'm liking the look of this already. 1964. That was a good year. Top year that was for Rice Krispies. I think Weetabix come a close second, but I was more of a Rice Krispie boy. Snap, crackle, pop. That is pretty damn good. See, that's... So now we want to go down to the bottom end of Spike. These are reduction dice. Yeah, I like this format. It's a lot more closer. It's a lot more intimate, you know. You like getting intimate with me? Do you? Come on, tell the truth. You just want to straighten up them walls and make it sexy. I think. Let me look with the eye. That ain't too shabby. Maybe a touch more. We don't want to go a touch too much though, do we? There you go. Straight walls. Right, now we'll break out, the one and only Dave the Dremel. Of course, this bar I went to, it was so bloody dark. I took lights with me, but it just weren't as bright as this, you know. And I had to nip into a shop and buy some more powerful glasses because I couldn't see Jack. And then after a few scoops, after about, I don't know, 10 o'clock, half 10. I think the last string I made was about 11. It came out okay, but I was a bit worse for wear. Which made everybody laugh, you know. The whole idea in life for me is make people laugh, you know. I'm looking forward to doing the 50p. I'll have all the haters out again. It's against the law. It's treason. Get a life. Get out of mine. Right. Let's install Felton John. Yeah, I might get hold of some of them 50p's. They're quite nice. I never knew they existed, you know. The Royal Mint make them. Paul from Australia. Have you seen them 50p's? With the Death Star and... There's loads of different... the Millennium Falcon's on one of the coins and... Really smart. You can get, I think it's 9, is it 39 silver or sterling silver? ones. They're about 96, 97 pounds, I think, or euros. And just the normal is, I think they were 15 or 25. Getting a bit warm. If you haven't subscribed, how about it? Costs you nothing, no obligation. I don't get any money out of it, it just helps my channel grow. Hit the like button for me, please. Or if you don't want to hit the like button, you can hit the dislike button. You can hit, if you hit the dislike button twice, that's even better. Right. What am I talking about? Okay, let's see what we've got. Now, I don't know when I was just using the Dremel, whether that was in shot or not. I wasn't looking. Knowing me, it's out of shot, but we'll find out. It's difficult to keep looking, you know. Well, it's not difficult, obviously, but you get so engrossed in what you're doing, and all of a sudden you're over here somewhere, you know, or over there, or maybe here, or even over there. Oh yeah, these coins come up beautiful. All right, what we got? Look at that. My girlfriend will finish polishing these off. Tommy Kangaroo down, sport. Tommy Kangaroo down. Ah. Tommy Kangaroo down, sport. Tommy Kangaroo down. All together now. Yeah, I like it. That's why I use the kitchen roll. There's old Lizzie. Good old Lizzie. Rule Britannia. Right. Where is my measuring wand? There it is. Sorry about all the messing around today, but tomorrow will probably be worse. So look at the rust on there. Is it rust? I sincerely hope it is rust. Or it's beer, or whatever it is. What size we got? This is a size nearly 13. Should fit my finger quite good. Fits, yeah, it's pretty good. But it fits this finger even better. So come on, hit the like button for me, show me some love. I hope you all have a great week. Try and make someone smile. Don't let the bastards get you down. And yeah, God willing, I'll see you in the next one. You behave yourselves. And I'll now give you the clicker. Bye-bye. No.